Hey everyone, my name is Nick and today I would like to show you how to create iPhoto account. So iPhoto is a very cool AI that you can easily use, but firstly you need to sign up for iPhoto. Let's do it. To do it, type in the search box iPhoto and open their official website, and here at the top right you can find the create account button. So let's click on it to create your own account. So here you can continue with Apple or with Google. Let's select Google. Now choose the necessary Google account and just continue. Okay, loading, and it's all sign in success. Now you can start creating just by clicking on the start creating button. And as you can see, this is my account and I have 20 credits for free. And now I can start using this service. So this is how you can easily create your own iPhoto account. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you. Goodbye.